Hello, we are the Angry Birds. I'm Angry Bird with my bros. Now, today in this video, we want you guys to pick on who is your favorite Angry Bird. Now, the birds to choose from are me, Angry Yellow, Angry Blue, Angry Black, Angry White, Angry Green, my brother, the Mighty Eagle, and I think that's it. Also tell us, well, I'm not sure if you guys like any of the pigs. I mean, come on, there are thieves. There are enemies. Oh, if I see one pig in this video comes in here and interrupts, I'm gonna beat the crap out of him. Oh, hey look, there's a pig up there. Hey pig, get over here. Hi. Get on now. If you don't get on my video in the next 5 seconds, I'll kill you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh crap. Oh, ow, 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 someone help me. Someone get this fat bird off me. You just call me fat? Just like your mother. Oh, no, he didn't. He does not talk about my mama. Still, tell us who is your favorite Angry Bird. Now, my power is strength. Angry Yellow is speed. Angry Blue is you can duplicate yourself. Angry Black, he explodes. And Angry White, he just lays an exploding egg. Angry Green, he's sort of like a boomerang. And well, oh yeah, my brother, he also has strength, but more strength than me. Sort of like me, but like much more bigger. And then the Mighty Eagle. The Mighty Eagle can helps us a lot on our journeys. When we call the Mighty Eagle, he comes down and uses his power to defeat any pigs that we are having trouble getting past. Now, still pick who is your favorite Angry Bird. Also subscribe to the Jake7606, Pokemon Pikachu 20,000, and well, hey, wait a minute, is that pig dead? Nah, he's not dead, he's just bruised to death. I guess that's what I call pork chop. Okay. Well, at least the cops didn't find out about this. I mean, if the cops found out, we would be in prison. Oh no, the cops will not catch me. I will blow the popo up. When I count to 4, then I blow. So there's no chance they'll get me. Just don't make me angry or I might just explode. Please don't make them angry. Okay, well, I just want to make this video short. Still, well, tell me what was like the best part of this video. No, wait, don't do that. Just leave me in the comment box telling me who was your favorite word. So bye for now.